Hi students, are you failing your maths? No matter form 3 ka, form 2 ka, form 4 ataupun form 5, are you failing your maths? Okay, if you're failing your maths, you should know one thing. Your basic problem, it's not in the form 4 atau form 5. The basic problem you adalah dekat basic algebra. Okay, inilah main problem awak, basic algebra awak. Basic algebra ni kita belajar during tingkatan 1, during your form 1. Okay, at that time, kalau you miss the chapters or you miss anything that your teacher taught you, memang susah lah, memang akan sangkut for your form 2. Since your form 1 sangkut, form 2 pun tak boleh buat, then continue to form 3, form 3 pun tak boleh buat, then continue to form 4, the same thing repeating again and again and again. Okay, so today we are going to see few basic things about basic algebra. Okay, in basic algebra, the first thing that we will learn today is coefficient of x or p or anything. Coefficient, the word is coefficient. Dalam bahasa Melayu dia digelar sebagai pekali. Okay, let's see here. Contoh, we have a soalan 3x. If they ask you the coefficient of x, pekali bagi x, senang saja, benda yang lekat dengan x. So benda yang lekat dengan x kat sini adalah number 3. So the coefficient of x is, the coefficient of x is 3. Okay, if in case soalan dia kalau macam ni 4xy, since soalan dia sama juga, there's the coefficient of x again. Coefficient of x again here also we see they do want x. Yang benda yang lekat dengan x adalah 4 and y. Faham? If the question they ask you like 3x square and dia kata coefficient of x again, bila dia kata coefficient of x, dia only perlukan x sahaja dekat sana. Betul? So we take only 1x. So sini ada 3, sini ada 2x. From 2x only 1x we are taking. So the balance x ada kat sini. Okay, so this is what we call coefficient of x. Okay students, so you understand how to do coefficient of x. Second thing that you need to know in basic algebra is about like terms and unlike terms. Okay, senang nak kata anu yang sama dan anu yang berbeza. So like term, usually we use the word same unknown or different unknown. If the unknown is same, we call it as like. The unknown is not same, we call it as unlike. Example, tengok sini ya. Example, kita ada 3x, 2y and 4x. To see like terms, you just look at the unknown. Sini ada x, sini ada y, and sini ada x. Siapa sama? X and x is same. So if they ask you like terms, we put 3x and also 4x. Clear? Okay, so this is how we see the like term. Kalau lah, if lah, you are going to see like term which is having the same unknown tapi with power. Let's check. Katakan the soalan give 3x and then they give 3x square. Ini dengan ini, adakah dia sama? No. Why? Because this unknown is x and this unknown is x square. X square maknanya dekat sana ada 2x. So it means the thing will be like 3xx. So you see here, this unknown and this unknown is not same. So tak sama. So since dia tak sama, we cannot tell that as like term. Clear? So most students get confused with this one thing only. Bila you jumpa dua unknown yang sama tapi got square and no square, it's not same. Clear? Okay, let's try another one. Okay, let's try another one. Katakan the soalan is like this. Okay, look here. Katakan the soalan 3x y and 6xy. Here pun xy, here also xy. Both are same. So they are like terms. Clear? But the soalan like this, the next one. 3x square y and 6xy. Sini ada square, sini tiada square. So they are not like terms. Clear? So they are not like terms. So not like terms and like terms apa beza? Apa kegunaan je? Okay, why we learn like terms and unlike term? The main reason is like term only can plus and minus. Unlike term tidak boleh tambah atau tolak. Cannot plus or minus. Okay, the plus and minus of algebra is very easy. Your work is just relate it as money. Example, let's see. Katakan you are getting your father is giving you any money with your school money, maybe school money lah. So katakan hari ni bapa awak bagi RM RM2. Okay, then besok bapa awak bagi pula RM5. So total you ada berapa ringgit? You plus, so you dapat RM7. Betul? The same thing we are going to do for algebra. Katakan the soalan is 2x plus 5x. The answer is 7x. 2 plus 5, 7, x, x, x. So kalau RM, ibu RM. Kalau cm, ibu cm. Kalau meter, ibu meter. Kalau kilogram, ibu kilogram. The same thing. Kalau x, ibu x. Okay? So this how we do plus. But in case you jumpa unlike terms. Okay, let's see it. Okay, now we are seeing a unlike term question. Example. Look here. So 7x minus 2y. I told you just now, if kalau you jumpa dua like terms, you can plus or you can minus. But when you jumpa two unlike terms, which is the terms are not same, can you plus and minus? No. The answer is no. So bila soalan keluar macam ni, 7x minus 2y, your work is don't do anything. Jawapan dia 7x minus 2y balik. Why? Because x and y are not same. So they are not like terms. When they are not like terms, you can't solve it. Okay? So only like terms can be solved. Unlike term can't be solved as plus and minus. Clear? So katakan kita jumpa lagi satu soalan. 3y plus 2x minus 3p plus 2y. Okay, let's see. Katakan soalan dia panjang macam ni. We just have to see the like terms first. Okay, let's see the like terms. Here got y, here also got y. So kita boleh solve y dengan y sahaja. So sini 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. So we put here 5 and got y, we put y. X, is it same? Not same. So we just do what? Write back the 2x. Then here got 3p. Is it same? No. So we write back the negative 3p. Clear? So this is how we solve the question. Okay, I give you another one example. Let's check. Okay, let's check. Okay, soalan ni. Sini pun x, sini pun x, sini pun x. Tapi sini ada x, sini ada square. And sini ada x saja. So like terms dekat sini is only 5x and also negative 3x. Clear? So we just need to solve only the 5x and negative 3x. And don't disturb the 2x square. Okay, you don't disturb the 2x square. Let's try to solve and see. So here 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, 2. So we put here 2x. Then the balance on this one got positive. We put positive 2x square. Clear? So this is how we solve plus and minus. Hi students. So now we have seen how to do plus and we have seen how to do minus. Now we are going to see how to do times in algebra. Okay? To do times, first we have to see whether it is having the same unknown or different unknown. Easy to use. Saya selalu gunakan perkataan darab as lekatkan. Just sticking it together. Example, look at here. Katakan soalan dia, x times y. I told you just now, darab means sticking together. So straight, x times y, stick together. xy. Clear? If they give you 5 times x, 5 and x, stick together. 5x. Clear? Next, x times y times z. Got times. Our work is stick together again. X, y, z. Finish. This is how we do times for different unknown. What if kita jumpa same unknown? Okay? Let's see here. What if kita jumpa same unknown? Okay. To do for same unknown, let's see in the question. Maybe x times x. Okay, sini x times x, sini ada satu x, sini pun ada satu x. So the answer should be x, got berapa x ini? 2x, x square. Don't get confused, bila tambah x plus x jadi 2x, x times x jadi x square. So easy to remember, tambah nombor depan, darab kuasa, the power. Understand? For darab, we ambil kuasa. For tambah, kita bubuh nombor dekat depan. Clear? So this is how we solve darab. Tapi what if kita jumpa more than a power inside it? Let's see here. So katakan the soalan, x square times x power of 3. X lekatkan. And sini ada 2x, sini ada 3x. Total ada 5x. And power I told you just now, put as power. For times, kita bubuh sebagai power. So, x power of 5. Clear? Okay? So then, now we are going to do for algebra yang having two unknown or power but together with number. Okay? So, let's see here. What if ada number? What if soalan dia ada number? 3x times 2x. Okay? This one is easy. You just do number with number, algebra with algebra. That's all. So let's see number with number. 3 and 2. 3 times 2, 6. X square. Clear? So what if kita jumpa different unknown? 4x times 3y. 4 times 3, 12. X and y different unknown kan? Saya bagi tahu dari different unknown. Lekatkan. xy. Okay, so this is how we do for different unknown. I'll give you another one question which I can see. Okay, okay, let's see the soalan here. This number ada 3 number dekat sini. So first we do this one too first. Saya tak nak complicate you guys. Siapa yang rasa pandai, you can nak buat terus pun boleh lah, tak ada masalah. Tapi kita buat one by one. Okay, let's see here. So first this one and this one we solve. 6 times 3, 18. Clear? 6 times 3 we get 18. Okay, then x, here got square, here got x. Okay, so there got 2, here got 1. Total 3. And darab power. So we put here x power of 3. Clear? And then we put here y. Okay, because ada y kat sini kan, bila dia join akan lekat sekali. So ini dua saya dah siap. Sekarang saya buat ini pula, times 4y. Okay? Okay, then now we are going to do for 18 times 4. Okay, 18 times 4. If you tekan in calculator or you want to do straight also can. You tekan dalam calculator, you should get nombor dia 72. Okay? And then x cube. Sini ada x tak? Tak ada. So just put x cube straight. Sini ada y, sini pun ada y. Ada berapa y total? 2y. Tapi darab power. So we put the y square. And this is how we solve it 4 times. Okay? If you have any question, you can put in comment. I will try my best to answer your question. Okay. Hi dear students. Okay, now we have seen for times, for plus and for minus. And this video we are going to see for divide. How to solve divide. Okay, divide dalam kolom rendah you guys akan tengok divide as this symbol. Okay, ini simbol divide, bahagi. Tapi bila you jadi sekolah menengah pula, we no longer use this symbol. We are going to use fraction. Fraction and this symbol is same. Let's see a contoh. Katakan soalan dia kata 6 bahagi 3. Okay, nak tukarkan dia ke pecahan ni lah. This 6 pergi atas, ini pergi bawah. So dia jadi 6 per 3. You understand maksud divide sekarang? Divide and pecahan is same. So whenever you see in algebra, okay, dalam algebra, jika you nampak divide, it means over, pecahan. You just put a line, put below that. Faham? So let's see soalan dia. Okay? So katakan soalan dia macam ni. 5x square divided by 10x. Okay? So kita tengok sini. So divide means over. So ini dekat depan, yang depan bubuh atas, yang belakang bubuh kat bawah. Okay? Then you just tekan calculator 5 over 10. Okay, kalau you tahu boleh buat terus, guna calculator better lah. 5 over 10 we get 1 over 2. So you put 1 over 2. Understand? And then x and x kita akan cut. Kita cut yang mana minimum. Okay, yang minimum will finish fully. Yang maximum tu takkan habis fully. Let's see ya. Contoh. Here got square, here got x. X here no power. If no power, that's 1 lah. Kita kena remember sana ada 1. So 1 ni kecil. So we cut the 1 fully. From 2 if 1 gone, daripada 2 1 pergi. Balance ialah 1. So only got 1. So x 1 over 2x. Okay, unknown don't get confused. You bawa unknown ni dekat tengah pun boleh, you bawa unknown ni dekat atas pun boleh. Both of it having the same meaning. Okay, let's see another question. Kita buat satu lagi soalan pula. Okay, let's check this one. Soalan dia, tengok sini. So you do 6x cube y over 2xy square, because divide means over. Clear? So then we do 6 over 2. 6 over 2 we get how much? We get 3. So we put the 3. And then x, here got 3, here got 1. Siapa kecil? 1 kecil. So kita potong the 1, kita potong di 3. From 3, 1 gone, balance is 2. 3, 1 gone, balance is 2. So we put here 2x square. Faham? And then cuba tengok sini pula. Sini y got 1, here got 2. Up 1 is small, so we cut the up 1 now. Okay, we cut the up 1. From 2, 1 gone, balance is 1 again. So here become 1. So the y now is down, right? So we put the y down. So don't get confused. 6 per 2. 6 per 2 saya dah terus tekan calculator, jadi 3 dah. So jawapan dia 3x square over y. Okay, this is how we solve divide.